Hello. My name is Aniruddha, and as 2023 draws to an end, I want to give you a flip through of the sketchbook that I used for a majority of this year. Started it in March and finished it just this month. This one I'm sure you've seen. It's a demo on my channel. Link here. Go check it out if you haven't. This one was done plein air at a farmer's market. Very quick sketch. Swatches. At this point, the sketchbook, this paper was still new, so just figuring out how it works. This was a scene I started on location, then I got baked in the sun, and then just came back and did it at my desk. Oh yes, there's a video for this on my channel as well. Link here. This one was done on location. This is in my neighborhood, very close to where I stay. Super old houses in this locality. You also may have noticed that I do a rough thumbnail here before I move on to the more defined sketch. This was done using a photograph. Again, it's a video on my channel. A lot of these initial pages are videos on the channel. This one too. Find the link here. This one was done plein air. I started early in the morning at about 8 a.m. I had my breakfast right here, crossed the street and sketched the scene. This was notes from a nature journaling conference. This was meant to be a video, but I didn't like the result, so I chose not to post it. Another video on this channel. These are quick birds done in probably 15 to 20 minutes. Few more quick sketches. This here is also a video on the channel. This masjid is on the same street as the building with the restaurant that I showed you earlier. I clicked the photo on the same morning, but came back and did it at my desk. As you know, birds are my favorite subject. Rough thumbnail for this one right here. Another one done on location. This was done at a place called Bhaji Gali, which means vegetable street. It was a rather rainy day and a very cramped place where I was sitting, so I had to be quick. Quite like the looseness of the result. This one's done on location as well. In end of August, beginning of September, there is a Ganesh festival which happens in the west of India. So this is one of the workshops that is building up the Ganesha idol. This is still work in progress. I tried to depict the lights of the interior. I think I did a pretty good job. This took a long time though. This is from Marine Lines, very iconic location in the city. So I had headed out, like I planned to do something on location, but I was only able to manage so much on that morning. However, I did take a few nice photographs, which I came back to my desk and completed. There is a video for this one, link here in the corner. thumbnail for a larger painting, thumbnail for a larger painting. This was a day spent with friends sketching. These are from an online session called Street View World Tour, where we meet on the first Thursday, I think, of every month to sketch locations using Google Street View. This one is from Shivaji Park, a very iconic playground from the city. It was a very rainy day, so it was very difficult for me to paint outside. It's not a great sketch, but I think I captured the gloomy nature of the day quite well. Inspired by spending a day at Shivaji Park, I gravitated to sketching a few cricketers. This one was a part of my video on using a Fude pen. Again, link here. This is a value study for a larger painting which didn't quite work out. This is when the Ganesh festival actually began. So I sat in one of the communal pandals and sketched this. I think these are from Street View World Tour. Yes. This is a sketch from another religious pandal of a festival in October called Durga Puja. So this is an idol of goddess Durga. This was done on location, standing up and very fast. I think in 20 odd minutes. You might see a lot of images of religion in this sketchbook, and the reason for that is in India, lot of public spaces are religious spaces. So those are the only spaces where you can sit in public and sketch freely. This one is part of a tutorial class over on Domestika by an artist named Eleanor Doughty. So I followed along her tutorial and made this scene. This is again from the Durga Puja festival, this one. So this is from outside. The idol of the goddess was in here. This is swatches. Again, there's a video for this, link. This is probably my favorite sketch from this sketchbook. It's at a flower market in Dadar, Mumbai, and I loved how I've been able to capture the indoor lighting. This is from Chembur in Bombay, again done plein air. This is one of the older parts of town, or older parts of this locality, to be more specific. This is an older part of my locality, again done on location. This too is from my locality. I'm trying to put together an article or a sketch reportage of my locality using all of these. This church was first founded in the 16th century, so it's probably one of the oldest buildings in town. My morning cup of tea. This was the last sketch I made in this sketchbook. It was kind of like a stamp of completion for me. So, I thank you for joining me here today. Please remember to do all the YouTube things. Like, subscribe, share this video to any of your friends who you think might enjoy it. I wish you a lovely, lovely holiday season and look forward to seeing you in 2024.